So the maintenance department's a very high-paced, high-speed place.
ENAP's Mechanical Maintenance and Minor Works Department offers planned maintenance services, fabrication, installation and labour supply for on-site work, along with a 24-hour reactive breakdown service.
We do a lot of work for Grain Corp, ports and ship unloading, so ports don't really stop, so when something happens down there, we've got to be on the ball.
Our on-site assembly and overhaul workshop enables us to assemble bespoke equipment and perform overhauls and strip downs of pumps, motors, gearboxes, and a variety of processing equipment. Our diverse team brings a wide range of trade skills and experience, allowing us to offer on-site preventative and breakdown maintenance, welding repairs and fabrication and installation of stainless steel, aluminium, and mild steel metals and equipment.
I've been at ENAP for 8 years this year in October. Started off as a mechanical fitter casual, moved into a leading hand on-call fitter. I moved into a supervisor role and maintenance coordinator now.
The maintenance department services a wide range of industries, with extensive experience in the food and beverage, mining and petrochemicals, bulk handling, recycling, and manufacturing and processing industries. Our maintenance teams are regularly engaged in planned shutdown and mechanical upgrade projects for a diverse range of core clients.
So we work with a range of different clients, from food grade, from Smith's Chips to Ingham's to Australian Country Choice. Yeah, there's a lot of variety of different people and different places that we work. We have probably a group of around 30 in the maintenance department between boilermakers, sheet metal and fitters. We have a 24-hour call-out system. I think we pride ourselves in we're a one-stop shop. We have fully serviceable vans from welders to full-time machinists. We have full access to workshops if we do need it.
ENAP promotes growth by investing in training from the ground up and upskilling in high-risk licensing and industry-specific safety training.
When they come first year, it's general cleaning duties, or inside here with Rod, the leading hand, which does rebuilds. They generally do your basic understanding the nuts and bolts of being a fitter, and then it's onto site, onto shutdowns, onto bigger projects that are around second and third year. Third year, they're doing really well. We do a 6 to 12 month period in our fully equipped machine shop, which they learn the high end of machining.
I started with ENAP about 12 years ago just as a tradesman, as a machinist. I've done a stint in the maintenance department as a maintenance fitter, and then come back to the machine shop and progressed through to a leading hand, and then from there onto managing the machine shop full time. The machine shop work is super varied, so like there generally isn't a typical day there, but like some good examples would be some heavier machining, some big drum rollers for conveyors, some smaller components for food maintenance like conveyors, batch work, one-offs, repair work, very varied, yeah, interesting stuff. At the moment we have 3 CNCs, 2 CNC lathes, 1 CNC mill. We're going through a bit of a growth period at the moment where we're looking to purchase some newer CNC equipment. We have a whole bunch of like various sizes, manual machines, some bigger ones, some smaller ones, horizontal and vertical borers. Yeah, a really good variety of equipment to handle the workload that we do. So the culture in the machine shop is, yeah, we do have a wealth of experience in terms of older guys. We heavily focus on training and skills development, so we have some younger guys that we're bringing up to speed. In terms of experience, it's years and years and years of experience, and lots of older guys that are keen to train and keen to pass on their trade skills. With the apprentices, they will generally have a set amount of time. If they want to stay on a bit longer in the machine shop, then we're more than welcome to that. We have one young guy who's expressed some interest in the CNC side of things, so it's very catered to the individual.
What about the company culture?
Well, this is another reason why I've stayed at the business for so long, and I intend on staying at the business for a lot longer, is the guys on the floor. It doesn't feel like it's a place that's micromanaged. It doesn't feel like it's a place that you're watched all the time. ENAP, the directors trust the decisions that we make in management decisions. Also, they guide us through what we're doing as well, which is great. But it's the guys on the floors that really make the work that we do a pleasure to be here. The guys that are on the floor that do the work for me, I take my hat off to them. I respect them so much because of the work that they do.
It's a very big business now. It's grown immensely over the time I've been here, but it still has a family feel, a very team-oriented feel. You get to know everyone, and we all kind of work together within the departments, whether that be maintenance, fabrication. We're all there to help each other out and work through problems, and yeah.
If you want to benefit from an industry-leading training system, an encouraging and supportive environment, opportunities to travel interstate, and an active social club, plus competitive remuneration, contact your friendly HR manager at ENAP today.